Connect Career Copilot to Gemini. Click on Google AI Studio. Now, you will be redirected to Gemini AI Studio page. Click on Get API Key. Now, click on Create API Key. Click on Choose an Imported Project dropdown. Then click on Create Project. Now type Career Copilot Project and finally click on Create Project. Click on Create Key. Copy your API key. Come to Career Copilot page. Now finally paste your API key to get connected. Click on Test Connection. If you get Gemini OK, then congratulations, you can now unlock the powers of Career Copilot.